Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve LeVay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Currently, we got a market that's up 5.2 on the S&Ps, 81 on the Dow, and 15 on the NASDAQ. As you can see by the Spiders chart right here, we had a decent move off the bell, went up about 45 cents, pulled back about 15 or 20, and now we're just consolidating above the 146 level. I'd like to see us stay above 146 for the remainder of the day in order to resume the uptrend for the day and maybe close this market up maybe 10 to 12 handles in the S&Ps and get some bulls out there. But we'll have to see what happens. We got a long half day left in the afternoon, so we'll take it as it comes. What am I looking at today to make some money? Let's talk about PCYC. I'm in some options currently. I made a smidgen in the stock through $66. That was my trade. If we look at the daily, you can see I drew a line right here. We have a little bit of a V bottom right here that if it got above 66, we should see some extension. And currently, we are printing at 66.63 right now. The one thing that's a little tough about PCYC is this type of pullback right here. But it tailed through 66 and came right back up. That was another buy signal for the stock. I do believe this stock will see 70 sooner than later. So if you're in the stock, give yourself basically stops around 66, maybe 65 half if you're really trying to protect your P&L. But definitely take profits on the way up. Right now, you're currently up about 60 cents in the trade if you entered at 66. So feel free to take a little bit off, hold some, play with the house's money is the way I like to trade it. Also, obviously, what everybody's been looking at lately, and that's Facebook. Facebook, as you can see here from my line I drew the other day, got through that 28.88 area, came back down on it yesterday, but rallied right back up, and today we're up big in Facebook. We're up $1.14 over the big 30 level, and as you can see here, it's basically just hovering right in this range right here. Basically, one could make the case that it's a bull flag. One could make the case that it was trying to round off. But when you see a green bar take out the remainder of the rounding top there, and this big green bar through 30, there's your trade, gang. And now we're at 30.20. We're looking for this thing to get to possibly 31 today. So we'll have to see what happens. It's been holding very well. I'm in calls right now. I've traded the stock, made some money, and sold the stock. So that's one that I made some money in. DDD, unbelievable move, gang. Unbelievable move. As you can see right here, here's the 5-minute. We got a big down move to the lows of the day, bear flagged, and then from that bear flag, it just took off. Right when it gets out of the bear flag, you could have initiated a little bit of a buy there, and the stock hasn't looked back since. So DDD right now is bull flagging around the high. So would not surprise me if we saw yesterday's high on this by the end of the day. Yesterday's high was 61.82. And again, this stock has just been unbelievable. I think there's definitely a chance we see highs sooner than later on this. And the last one was, again, SSYS. This tail yesterday should have told me to be more alert in buying it. I didn't buy it, but the stock is sitting on brand new 52-week highs, all-time highs. Super strong today. Looked like it was going to get weak off the bell. And again, it did exactly what DDD did. 2 5-minute bars, and then once you get above this is your 5-minute high. We should have been long it at 84.45. Never look back, gang. So again, it's lesson learned for me. I missed out on the SSYS, but having a decent day. I'm up in some of my options. Facebook is paying me nicely. So with that, everybody, good luck the rest of the day. Again, keep Facebook on the screen. Keep your PCYC. Hopefully that'll give us some extension to that 70 level, and I will talk to everybody on the VTF.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.